Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Pulse Plus, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, it is required, and then we can enter the settings. So here all we have to do is to scroll down to the very bottom of the list and tap on the system. And as you can see right here, we've got this option, System Update. So let's tap. And as you can see, unfortunately, our device is right now, the battery of my device is too low. However, this is how it will look like, basically. You can meet two different scenarios. So this is the first one where there is the update to download. Your device will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, advisory notice, and all of that information. And all you have to do is to tap on download or install. It should appear somewhere here. Of course, as you can see, my battery is too low to do that. And the second scenario is where your device is up to date. It will of course show you the information that there's nothing to download, and you do not have to update the system. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.